Register the users for the smart lock. Long press the screen to light up. Enter system.
Please enter unlocking information.
Press this.
Enter admin mode.
Now press the key manage and key.
Add administrator.
Look, now you can add fingerprint, password, card, and face.
Please look at the camera.
Look, now I register my face.
Failed.
Okay.
Please look at the camera. Added successfully.
Okay, successfully add my face. Now, and the key.
Add administrator.
Press and fingerprint, password, card.
Please enter fingerprint, password, or card.
Now read your fingerprint.
Please press your finger. Please press your finger. Please press your finger. Please press your finger. Added successfully.
Now, and key.
Add administrator.
Touch
Please
this.
enter fingerprint, password,
Now
or
register a
card.
password.
Please enter again. Added successfully.
Now, and
Add
key.
administrator.
Now let's register a card. Press.
Please enter fingerprint, password. Added successfully.
Put card here. Okay. Now, going back. Okay, now let's connect the lock to the Wi-Fi. Network setting. Okay, smart link. Okay, touch
Please
smart.
configure Wi-Fi through mobile phone.
Now, go to the application. The application name is ICSee Home. Now, this is the app. Look, the lock is already on the application screen. Touch it. So before connecting, the smartphone must connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, touch next step. Touch continue. Okay, it's connecting.
Successfully connected to server.
Okay, change name. Smart lock. Complete. Touch next step. Okay, successful. Okay. Next step. Next step. Okay, now let's try. Press the bell. If I press the bell. Okay, video calling.
11:25:70.
Now, video call to my phone. You can see the video. Click to talk. Hello. Talk. Okay. Press here. Unlock. Can confirm. Okay. It's unlocked by your phone.
Welcome home. Locked.
Press here. You can change the voice. Female. It's a female voice. Hello. Hello. It's a female voice.
Welcome home.
And also, look and here. You can change the video, can change the camera, because here is another camera. See, that means you can check who's inside your house. It has two cameras.